Hello and welcome everyone. So today we are signing off the day 2 of ENGIMACH 16th edition happening at Helipad Exhibition Center, Gandhinagar. There were a lot of things to do and explore today. As it was the second day, we had a lot of visitors coming in and exploring the expo. Let's hear from Hari sir as well. He's here to join me. So how was your day?
So the day was very much packed today. See, basically there are two things. One, if you are just going and exploring the products, exploring and meeting people, somewhere our work of creating some stories will not happen. So for me it was together because we had a very special guest today who came to ENGIMACH, Mr Steve, the Deputy High Commissioner of Britain, who is in charge of both Gujarat and Rajasthan, and we took him to a couple of stalls, and again we were able to talk to some of the people who were visiting as well as exhibiting, this. Today, one more special thing was that we had our Innovator, the 75 years, 75 innovations, the program, the initiative what we did. We had Mr Manish Kothari, one of the innovator, who came from morning to evening. He was there. He was also talking to many visitors, discussing with them about the challenges what manufacturing people are facing. He initiated them to write on the wall, and also he was and giving the solutions. So there was a lot of thing happened. Today I was there in Valdro, where one of our change maker, Dr. Arvind Patel, and there also we found so many people talking about manufacturing, getting inspired and trusting and believing Indian manufacturing.
I think that's what is happening here at the show, which mainly I can see and I can experience. People are very keen to share their experiences with each other. People are very keen to showcase what they have made new in India, and they're very proud of making that innovation in India. So to see more of those innovations, to explore them, you all should be here at Helipad Exhibition Center, Gandhinagar. Today I'm going to take a reviews of a few of the visitors who can get us more information about their day at ENGIMACH. Let's hear from the visitors what they have found new.
I've been visiting this for so many years now. There are a lot of innovative products coming up over here. Plus there are, you can say, new trends, new innovations which you are not aware of that. Those kinds of products are there which you will not be coming to know when you are in the market or when you are in the industry. But while visiting this expo, you will come to know about the products, the new technology, and all those things which you will never come to know.
So till now, whatever the innovations you have visited, which one you found out the best?
Actually, it's in the previous hall only, where they have used the entire automation setup and for their manufacturing facility. So that was one of the best what you can say display over here.
ENGIMACH had a very special visitor today, the Deputy High Commissioner of UK for Gujarat and Rajasthan, Mr Steve. How was your experience visiting ENGIMACH here?
It's been a really fantastic visit. I think I've learned a huge amount this evening. I've visited a number of manufacturers, both Indian and UK manufacturers, and the types of products they're making are such high quality, such high precision products with huge added value. It's so exciting. And I think what I've learned, or what it's confirmed to me, is the huge strength in depth of Indian manufacturing, and the huge opportunities that exist for Indian and UK manufacturers to collaborate and work together for mutual benefit.
I think there are a lot of great futures for India and UK companies, manufacturers to come around and do something for this world. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the very best for taking our countries together more closer.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.
So please let us know your name.
I'm Manish Sharma,
Okay, from which company?
Depaco Global Private Limited and Depaco Private Limited. So we are a Depaco Group company. The group comprises of two companies, which is Depaco Private Limited and Depaco Global Private Limited. So it's basically a one-stop solution for multiple engineering products, which includes lubricants, tools, VCI packaging, and other vending tools and everything.
So how was the response since yesterday to your stall?
If I compare it with yesterday, the number of footfalls has increased, and the engagement with visitors has increased, and more number of visitors. I can see more number of customers and visitors coming to my stall. So it was fantastic.
तो आज दूसरा दिन है एनजीमैक का। हम अभी वैल्ग्रो में है, वो हॉल 7 पे है। कैसा है आपका एक्सपीरियंस आज दूसरा दिन में? कितना लोग आया? हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है, क्योंकि इस बार क्वालिटी क्लाइंट ज़्यादा आए हुए हैं, बहुत अच्छे क्लाइंट आए और बहुत सारे परेशान लोग बहुत सारे आए हुए हैं। मैंने देखा है, अभी एक क्लाइंट मेरे को मिला, मैं फेस टू फेस आज तक कभी मिला नहीं था उनको, पहली बार मिला। उन्होंने बताया कि सर आज तक मेरा प्रॉब्लम जो था आपने सॉल्व किया था।
प्रवीण साहब, आप वैल्ग्रो आपको मालूम है तो पूरा वर्ल्ड में बिकते हैं, आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है एनजीमैक में?
एनजीमैक में मैं पूरा विजिट किया, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरे बात ये कि इंडिया में इतना अच्छा चीज मिल रहा है। कई लोगों को ऐसा है कि हम लोग जो बाहर से इंपोर्ट करते हैं वही चीज अच्छा रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है। इंडिया में अच्छी क्वालिटी मिलता, जो इतना पे आप आउट ऑफ कंट्री को करते उतना ही पे आप इंडिया को करते, तो उससे बेस्ट क्वालिटी और इमीडिएटली आपको वो क्वालिटी मिलेगा।
क्या मैन्युफैक्चर करती है आपकी कंपनी?
हम केमिकल प्लांट्स और डिस्टिलरी प्लांट टंकी प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, मतलब।
ओके, सो आपका एनजीमैक में आप पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं या पहले भी?
पहली बार आया।
अच्छा, तो आपको क्या क्या नया देखने मिला? इनोवेशन
बहुत सारी मशीनरी मिली देखने के लिए, रोबोटिक, CNC, बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस रहा।
अच्छा, सो अगर आपको इस सारे इनोवेशन में से एक स्पेसिफिक कोई इनोवेशन सबसे अच्छा लगा हो, या फिर जो आप अडॉप्ट करना चाहेंगे, जैसे आपने कहा रोबोटिक्स या ऑटोमेशन, सो वो कौन से स्टॉल में आपको देखने को मिला?
अभी तो हमारा पूरा नहीं हुआ है, अभी तो हम कल भी आने वाले हैं, बाद में सब देख लेंगे, बाद में बता सकते हैं हम।
थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग योर इनसाइट्स। थैंक यू।
सो मशीन मेकर का स्टॉल जो है, दैट इज इन हॉल 9, वी आर एट 31B, एंड for the last couple of exhibitions, we are doing a very different approach to understand the challenges what manufacturing industry is facing. So you can see there are a lot of people came and wrote different things, and right now we have a person who came out of India. So basically he is on a vacation, so it is also our luck that he is here. Sir, can you please tell your name and the company you are working?
My name is Vivek Srivastav, and currently I was working with the Egyptian Kuwaiti foundry that was near to the Cairo, and I'm on vacation here, and luckily I meet the people here.
So sir, you have wrote, and when you seen, because there are so many people who talk about skill is one of the major reason anywhere we get it, that raw material and all those things. One thing you told that you find skill problem is really in Africa and other globally. So yes. What is your views on that?
The problem is that India, there are a lot of institute. They can provide the technical guidance and they can train the people here, but in the out of country you will not get the trained manpower. That is the biggest problem in African region and somehow the Arabic countries also. And you can see the Modi is the biggest vision, skill improvement. So they are improving the skill and all over the peoples, all over the world. So that is the very biggest help to the other countries also. We can supply skilled manpower to all African countries and Arabic countries, even especially the underdevelopment countries.
So we are also having our innovator Manish Kothari with us. He was there from the morning. Thank you very much for coming. And you also have seen that many people coming and writing about their manufacturing challenges. You also spoke to them. Because everyone is talking about skill. Even Srivastav sir was also talking that skill is the biggest problem globally. He tells India is good, Africa is having more troubles. So how do you think that we will be able to bring out a solution for all these challenges manufacturing is facing?
See, first of all, it is important to understand what exactly is the challenge. Most of the times we keep on talking about challenges, problems. But I asked a question to one SME today. See, we have been talking about all the problems, but we also are working, that means we have found a solution. So why don't we talk about solutions that we have found and each SME would have found some different solution, otherwise they will not survive. If you only talk about problem, that means my industry should have been finished. The fact that I am surviving, that means I have a solution also. From my understanding, I think the problem lies where we are not assimilating the solutions. We are assimilating the problems everywhere. If I look at this board, then I can see problems written everywhere. But where is the board where people are talking about solutions? Where is the forum where we can talk about how SMEs can share their solutions? That's what I took away from today's discussion in the morning.
See, that is why you are an innovator. Your thought process is different. That is what, when challenges comes, you get more inspired to bring out a solution. So that is what our initiatives of 75 years, 75 innovations, where we are finding people like him, so that we can guide the industry collaboratively together.
So this is a thought which has been somewhere at the back of the mind. And recently I was at a HR conclave, and the subject of the HR conclave was talent management, means how to get talent, retain talent, how to nurture talent. And so they asked me, what is an innovative way of looking at this subject? So that thought process which came to my mind that time impromptu, and perhaps that's because it's a solution which I have been practicing, is the participation of SME in education. Not after education, before the graduates or people come out, because the knowledge which SMEs carry and the zeal with which SMEs work, the hard work which SMEs do, I use this term that perhaps SMEs are the best incubators of talent. And that is a power which we need to recognize from the SME industry, is what I think from my so many years of experience, that we need to innovate on the education business model, where SMEs will play a very important part in education.
See, this is what makes the difference when the leaders talk. They talk about solution rather than challenges. Thank you very much practically explaining that. Actually, Manish Kothari is a HERA, a program conducted by UNCTAD, which is a UNCTAD,
United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. So most of the times we talk of businesses, and if you look at this show, we talk about a trade show. There's a division in the UN which talks about trade and development being two sides of the same coin. And so when I'm talking of developing talent, is when I'm investing in the education system to develop talent so that I can do trade. And if I don't do trade, I can't do development. So it goes together.
Thank you for sharing this. This is the day 2 of ENGIMACH, and we have a lot of stories coming to your way in the coming days. Thank you very much.